Well, this is a question very close to my heart because we do a lot of clinical trials. Because it has to be said, although we have treatments at the moment for all the different types of pulmonary fibrosis, I would say that the treatments have limitations. They may not cure the disease, they just slow it down, and they often come with side effects that many patients find very, very difficult. So I would say throughout the country, most hospitals will be able to refer you to take part in a clinical trial if you want to with pulmonary fibrosis. And usually these trials allow patients to take part who are already on treatment, so you don't have to stop your regular treatment for pulmonary fibrosis to take part. It's an add-on treatment. Many patients enjoy taking part in clinical trials because you get seen more frequently. Often the hospital will arrange transport, which is funded by the company that's trying to develop the drug. So you'll be taken and ferried to and from the hospital for more frequent treatments. And even if you draw the dummy drug, which I'll explain in a moment, it's still showing that patients in clinical trials actually do better than patients that don't take part in clinical trials. So when you do take part in a clinical trial, you're often offered either the real drug or the dummy drug, which is a placebo, which looks exactly like the real drug, is taken in the same way, but neither you nor your physician know whether you have the real drug or the dummy drug. And the idea of that is so that we can really see if the drug makes a difference or whether it's just a so-called placebo effect. In most cases, your chances of getting the dummy drug are less than 50%. So, for example, for every 2 or 3 patients given the proper drug, 1 will be given the dummy drug. But as I say, even if you're given the dummy drug and you take part in a clinical trial, you do seem to do better, probably because you're watched over so closely by the medical team.